Let's see. Hello, everybody. This is Ira. I got some good. Let me finish. Hello, everybody. I'm doing a good kind of word puzzle. You guys know about word arithmetic, or otherwise known as word math? Yeah, I'm doing one that's puzzles, and what I'm doing now is to solve this little problem here on my left. Tie divided by squares equals stir. Yeah, stir is the what do you call it, a quotation or the answer. But here's the thing, it's word math or word arithmetic. All you have to do is find out what the word is, and is this problem on the left? That's what I'm pointing at. It's a word puzzle, and perhaps you're not aware. If perhaps you heard of word math or word arithmetic, it's some kind of a long division with word problems, which letters are substituted. I repeat, letters, not numbers. And what you're gonna do is find the word that matches. Find the clues. These are the clues, and you have to put them in order. As these are the clues right here at the bottom. I'm on my right, so you can see it. I solve for clues for each one of them, and you put your real answers right here. Well, this video describes you, but I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do is how to type word arithmetic and how to break by part each problem. I'll make another video for solving word arithmetic. This is how to type, how to put word arithmetic on computer. Not solving it yet. You have to give me some time of solving word arithmetic and how do you do it. This is how I've been doing in a computer. I made a short video explain to you what problem it is. I hope you enjoy it. You see this, folks? This is word arithmetic. You know what it is. It's from Dell's Math Problem Computer Things. You see the cover of it, Dell. Word arithmetic is these puzzles. You have to solve what kind of form of a long division, and I've been enjoying it too much. I enjoy a lot of word arithmetic, and what you're gonna do is try to solve these puzzles, like one right here. And I used to use graph paper. Well, let me show you graph paper. This for a long time, and I was thinking if my ass been using this graph paper for cryptograms, puzzles, and all that shit, why can't I do it in the computer? Yeah, why can't I do this in the computer? For some reason, I didn't thought about it when I'm wasting paper over word problems. And you can use paper for drawings and all that stuff. I just bought a tablet, a drawing tablet right here, as you can see, I've been drawing with this for over a year now. XP Pen drawing tablet, and I was thinking to myself, how come I can't find YouTube videos about people putting this stuff into computers, like word processors, word problems? I know it's protecting, it's definitely protecting this stuff, but how to solve word arithmetic onto a computer? What I can do is show you how to type word arithmetic, like these problems here, in a magazine or a puzzle book. You can go and buy a puzzle book in Barnes and Nobles, or pennypress.com, something like that. You can go and check them out. This video is about how to type and put word arithmetic problems onto a computer. So I'm using Google Sheets instead of Microsoft Excel, because Microsoft Excel is not free. You have to pay a subscription and all that crap, and I'm not stupid enough to do it. So I'm using Google Sheets, and I'm going to show you how to type and to put the word problems and how to use the computer to do all that, instead of using a graph paper. I've been using a graph paper for cryptograms, as I told you before. We got cryptograms, or those word puzzles you can put in a graph paper. They look like grids, and I've been carrying notes for this for the last few years. As you can see, all this is graph paper, and you see a lot of problems like that word arithmetic, and I solved them. Some of them are science, sentence arithmetic, or long division, where you have a much like word math. Have you heard word math before? Wait, I'm going to show you. Word math. Here, it's a kind of long division, but instead of numbers, they're letters. You see? And what you can do is to solve the letters by breaking out the fraction, the division. This is kind of long division, and instead of numbers, instead of letters. So these numbers represent the letters on the word division. All you have to do is solve it. And I do it, but in this way, on a computer. Okay, we're gonna make another worksheet document. I'm gonna type in Word. It's in, okay. Hold on, okay. Word. Then. Sorry, arithmetic. Make sure I spell it right. Arithmetic / math. Math. Sorry about the spelling. I this typing. 01. Okay. I saved that to my drive. To do the problem, to put no, we're not gonna do the problem. To put this word math problem into the computer, I had to use Google Sheets. Okay, so first thing I can do is go tap here, select all, and what I'm gonna do is to use my cursor. And you see this blue line here, and I'm going to shrink the lines to about here. Okay? You see the lines? Yeah, you can shrink a little, or I can shrink a lot. So, a little like that. So they're lines. So they're lines. Okay. Now, first what I'm going to do is, the columns are like 26 letters of the alphabet. So, this is the first step. Go to C, column C, and go to Insert Columns, and add a column to the right. And you get double A. Keep doing this when you get to, I don't know, 6 or 7. 6 or 7. 4. C. Okay, C. 26, 27, 28, 29. No, insert 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Okay, so I'm up to 35. Yeah. So what I did is make 35 columns. Leave the rows for later on. I add the rows later on. These columns later on. Now, click on back on this thing here at the bottom right corner, this blank line, and you're gonna make some changes. How to use fonts and all that stuff. So I can put number 12. Good start. Bold. And make sure everything's black. Okay. Make sure the color is black for the text and all that stuff. Okay. Now, I'm gonna do the first problem, and I'm gonna see how can I gotta make it bigger. Yeah, like that. And I'm gonna start the 2. I'm gonna start the 3. Basically. I'm at row column A3, and I'm gonna type. Oh wait, and by the way, that's what almost one thing I forgot. Make sure you center it. Go to how to type. Go to horizontal signs, horizontal line, whatever the word is. ALIGN, horizontal, and you go and put, and you type, and you click center. Now I'm going to A3, and I'm going to put the word, type the word L. Oh, cap lock L. I am B. Line. Okay, we're gonna do something here. Make sure it's the word bold. Everything's bold. Now, the word lamb, as you can see, and we're gonna put out the word sneaker. S N E A K E R R. Okay. Use your cursor and go to highlight the word sneakers and select sneaker and go to borders and left border. Before you start that, click on border style and make sure you click this one. And you see this line here between the B and S. That's your border. Go back to the word S again, the letter S again, and still highlight and hold and highlight the word sneaker. You see in the blue column sneaker? Go back to border, and this time top border. And you can see that this is division problem. This thing right here, this top version and the bottom, well, you see now as a division symbol over the word sneaker. Well, up top of a sneaker. Whatever. Moving on. And you had to put the word S E L A. So limb divided by sneaker equals L's. Okay. You get that now? So below the word sneakers, type in L I M B. Highlight this word, or select this word, and you should go back to borders, and you do this. That's the trick. Now I'm going to do the rest of the things in a second and show you how this matches. Okay. Now you see the patch right here? Okay, this is a pattern. It's a long division. Word Arithmetic, Word Math, I would call it Word Math. It's like a long division, but instead of numbers, it's letters substitute as numbers. Getting me now? Letters substitute as numbers. So these letters represent the numbers that this long division problem is. What this long division problem is all about. So while you look at this, I'm going to go and break it down for you. The numbers and the letters, which letters are up there.